Cnmoulding, as a specialized manufacturer of medical-grade transparent plastic injection molding products, we leverage advanced production equipment, stringent quality control systems, and extensive industry, high-quality, safe, and reliable, transparent plastic components for medical devices, pharmaceutical packaging, and laboratory consumables. Our products are widely used in syringes, infusion sets, reagent bottles, petri dishes, transparent protective shields, and other medical applications, complying with international standards such as GMP and ISO 13485. Core products and services. 1. Medical-grade transparent plastic injection molded products. We use premium medical-grade PP, PC polycarbonate, PET glycol modified PET, and PMMA acrylic to produce high-clarity, chemically stable, low-leachate plastic components, ensuring safety and biocompatibility when in contact with pharmaceuticals and bodily fluids. Key products include medical device components, syringe barrels, infusion three-way valves, nebulizer housings, etc. Lab consumables, centrifuge tubes, PCR plates, specimen containers, etc. Protective equipment, face shields, goggles, transparent isolation barriers, etc. Packaging solutions, medicine bottles, blister packs, sealing caps, etc. 2. Custom development capabilities. Precision molding, microgram level precision parts with tolerances as tight as plus or minus 0.01 mm. Cleanroom production, sterile manufacturing in class 10,000 cleanrooms for critical applications. Surface treatments, anti-fog, anti-static, UV-cured coatings, and other specialized finishes. 3. Traceable raw materials, compliant with USP Class 5, FDA 21 CFR, and other certifications. Full process testing, light transmittance, chemical resistance, biocompatibility, validation, etc. Sterilization, validation, support, EO, gamma, irradiation, etc. Industry advantages medical specialization, 30+ years of experience in medical injection molding. Rapid response, one-stop service, from mold design to mass production, regulatory compliance, assistance with product registration and documentation. Contact us for OEM/ODM services in medical transparent plastic products. We offer cost-effective, high-reliability solutions.